Update on the GMC Acadia. As you see, we have not made a whole lot of progress. So I sent the whole vehicle off to my friend, a professional mechanic, and he was going to replace the timing chains, the oil pump, I can't remember, maybe a couple other things. Anyway, as he started working on it, he realized that they probably had not changed the oil, or certainly not done it with any kind of regularity, and it had spun some bearings, main bearings. That was probably a lot of the noise that we were hearing. So anyway, we negotiated a deal to totally rebuild the engine. He rebuilt the whole thing. We even had genuine GM camshafts, and lo and behold, they were not machined properly, so they cracked. I don't even know what you call the part here, but basically there's a piece that bolts down there that holds the cams in. Both sides, it broke them. So anyway, went through litigation, ended up confidential settlement of the case. So now I'm stuck. I have this engine that's basically rebuilt, but I mean, if you were going to do this professionally and intending to keep this vehicle for a long time, you'd probably pull the cylinder heads and replace them, and as well as the cams, obviously, because as he was explaining, the way they machine these pieces, you can't just put a new hold down cap on there. That's his understanding. Anyway, so that's where I'm stuck with. So I may get to teach myself, I say get to teach myself some new skills messing with this thing now. Of course, there's also part of me that says just part it out, sell the whole thing, be done with it. I don't know what happened here, because I thought he had put the timing chains and everything. Like I literally thought it was ready to go back in the car other than the cams, and I'm seeing that it's not, because we don't have timing chains. So I need to talk to him and see realistically what else has not been done, because like I said, I thought it was all done. But I am learning a few new skills here. So this is my first time using this engine mount. I bought it years ago and never put anything on it. Same thing with the engine hoist here. Bought it years ago, never used it. Put it together and just it sat. And so it's gotten used now picking up the transmission, picking up the engine, moving them around. Really useful tool. I was surprised. It just picks stuff up and lets you roll it around wherever you need to go. That's how I got the engine inside, because as strong as I am, I was not able to just pick the engine up and move it myself. I did buy one of these. I'll put a link to all this stuff. This is pretty cool. You need this to attach to the end there if you want to bolt on to the transmission or engine. I suppose you could use something like this too. What I used this one for was actually hooking to the engine stand to kind of pick it up and roll it over the hump to get it into here. But anyway, so pretty cool tools if you're a DIY and you're wanting to learn how to do this stuff. Anyway, so yeah, I am going to have to learn how to do it or sell everything.